G'day there, it's Craig and I'm so excited to show off our latest little product here. This is our pump in a box setup. It's a bloody great little invention. I don't know if you've ever gone camping, you've wondered how to set your water pump up and how to put all the connections, where to put the hoses. We've done it all for you. Check this out. Okay, so there we have it. It's our pump in a box. This thing is so handy. I mean, anything you do at home with a garden hose, you can now do on your trip no matter where you take it. I mean, imagine going down the beach, your kids get all sandy, hose them off, use the pump in a box. You got your pets, you've taken them for a walk, they're all smelly, you want to wash them, they're gone for a swim, you've got your pump in a box. Tradies, all your tools that you normally chuck in the back of your ute that's all dirty, you've got a pump in a box, just connect it all up and away you go. There is so many uses for the pump in a box. I mean, even if you're camping, you want to wash your dishes, whatever, you've got a pump and a box from now on. If you've bought one of our gas hot water systems, one of our shower tents, you're wondering how you're going to set everything up. Look what you got now. You don't have to do any work. We've done it all for you. It's the pump in a box. Okay, it's such a fantastic idea. And one of the biggest things I love about this is time saving. You can get camping, get set up straight away. I mean, gone are the days where you need to get your screwdrivers out, your hose clamps out, your thread tape, you've got leaks left, right and center. You don't need no tools to set this up. I mean, seriously, you could set this thing up with a beer in one hand. I've tried it. For water, all you need to do is plug your two hose connections in, away you go, and you're set, you've got water in and out. I mean, the thing is so easy to connect to power. All you need to do is grab yourself like a KickAss extension cable, plug it into the Anderson plug, turn it on and away you go. There's no wiring. You don't have to worry about soldering, running wires anywhere, wondering where you're going to put it all. Is it going to be safe? We've even put a fuse in there as well. I mean, this thing is awesome. It's going to save you time and more time to relax. So if you've got one of our KickAss gas hot water systems and one of our shower awnings and you've been wondering what setup to use, grab yourself one of these. It'll make it such an easy setup for you. Anyone that wants to transfer water from one bucket or an item to another to a jerry can, I mean, it's perfect for that. As I said, tradies, cleaning pets, going to the beach, just washing your four-wheel drive after going through the mud. It's such an easy, great little product to use, and it's such a time saver. If you've got a camp kitchen and you just want to run water to it and everything existing, you've got a pump set up and you just wanted something a lot more simpler, grab yourself one of these. I mean, it's our portable pump box. It's ready to rock and roll straight out of the box. Do yourself a favor, grab one for your next camping trip. You won't regret it.